Good day, traders. This is Rich coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently looking at a Banc de Binary platform on Friday, July 20th, 2012. Currently 8:41 a.m. and we are going to possibly take a put option trade on the Euro USD if the price gets back up to where we just saw it. So we're going to keep an eye on it. We still have 5 minutes and 30 seconds to get in. I want to make a quick announcement about Banc de Binary, and the reason why we're trading with them today is because last night we spoke to them and they decreased their minimum deposit from $500 to $100. So if you've been wanting to open an account with them but you didn't want to open it with $500, you can now open an account with them for $100, and you can trade any asset that they have. You can trade their 60 seconds, you can trade their option builder, you can do anything you want, and it's only going to cost you $100 to learn the platform. And it's just you'll have your demo set up after that $100 is deposit as well, so that way you can have both going. And for $10 trades, you'd be in pretty good shape. Obviously, $100 isn't a lot to start with in trading, but if you just want to dive into it and get it, get your demo set up or whatever, it's a good price to pay. And you can use the link below this video to get you there and get set up. So we're going to watch this trade set up right now for us. We do have 4 minutes and 20 seconds to go. And once price hits my target, I will enter my trade and we will go from there. So hang on. I'm going to pause the video until we're ready. All right, looks like it's hitting our area right now. We're going to take our put option. All right, we're in. Price might move against us a little tad, but I wanted to make sure I got in on a good price at a higher section of the channel here. There is a channel that's been forming over the last hour, a little bit over an hour, and until it breaks out of it, I'm going to trade it in between it just for a little bit. I do have support level 3, a couple pips below the channel, but overall it looks pretty good for a put option right now. And I'm going to pause the video again. We do have 5 minutes and 55 seconds for this thing to close out. Currently against us by it's with us, so it's about even for right now. So we'll keep an eye on it. Be right back. All right, guys, we're back, and we got about 47 seconds left. Price is in our favor by 3.5 pips. Looking pretty good here to close out this trade of the week. And it's always nice to end with a winner going into the weekend. You can rest easily, get some breaks, and keep studying your charts over the weekend. Don't kill yourself, but just don't forget what you're working on all week and all the positive things that's been happening, and focus on those things definitely. The more you focus on your positives, the better you're going to be. Obviously, if you do make mistakes, keep track of that, but try not to dwell on them. You dwell on the mistakes, you're going to have a tough time as a trader. So this trade just finished. We're going to close this thing out, check the back end real quick, and finish it up. All right, so here's the $200 trade, Euro USD, 12:43 entry, closed at 12:50 a.m., which is actually, 12:50, which is 8:50 a.m. Entry was at 1.21995, and it closed at 1.21949 for a 350 payout. So we had a great trade, and let's go check out the chart. All right, so here's a quick look at the Euro USD 1 minute chart. I don't even need to, well, we'll go to a daily real quick. It's kind of a mess with my pivots on here. But you can see this fall on a daily, and this section here is where we're seeing all those lows, and we're coming back down to those lows on the daily from many months back. So go back to the 1 minute chart. You can see the drop off here, and just this channel forming. And we took the higher side right here on the 43 candle, and you can see it just fell off since. So it was a solid trade, put option trade. Let me see if I can zoom in, see a little bit clearer. Here it is. and then maybe a no, never any pain, and it just fell into our favor. And now it's coming back up into the channel, which is kind of cool because it's playing that game. You know, you can find the spots. You might go through a little pain if you get in a little early, but at least you got the right direction. These were 10-minute expiries. Let's not forget. Banc de Binary has 10 minutes on the Euro USD, 15 and 30 minutes on the pound. So those are some things you should consider if you do open an account with Banc de Binary. They are 10-minute expiries. So it's good and bad. I like them actually. At first I was a little bit questionable because I like the 15 minutes to kind of figure out if I want to get in or not. But the 10 minutes kind of gets you in because you have 3 minutes. You can get up to 3 minutes, which is nice. And if you see a good trade, that's a nice setup. It's almost like trading a 60-second trade, but with 3 minutes. You know what I mean? And it was just, I'm glad they reduced their deposit to $100. $100 is a lot different to get started with and get that demo account going and practice your strategies and what you've learned over the course of time. And you can open that up with the link below. Again, if you have any questions, you can always comment. Like the videos, of course. Please share and keep me posted on how your trading's going. I'd like to hear more about your trading, whether it's good or bad. Focus on the positives and try not to dwell on the negatives. And have a great weekend, everyone. And we'll see you on Monday for the trade of the day.